Why tools and safety come first? Before we ever touch a machine, we need to talk about the foundation of every repair: tools and safety. No matter your experience, skipping safety is what separates amateurs from professionals. Espresso machines combine heat, pressure, and electricity, three things that can go wrong fast if you're careless. In this lesson, I'll show you the essential tools every technician needs, how to handle them safely, and how to set up your workspace for efficiency and protection. By the end, you'll understand how professionals prepare before even removing a single screw. Essential technician tools and their purpose. Every successful repair depends on having the right tools for the job. You'll need a reliable multimeter to test electrical continuity, voltage, and resistance, an adjustable wrench for fittings, a set of insulated screwdrivers, a food-safe lubricant, and an assortment of O-rings and seals. Don't underestimate cleaning tools. Brushes, microfiber cloths, and descaling solutions are just as vital. Keep your tools organized in a dedicated technician kit or tool roll so you always know what you have on hand. Professionals know that a clean, well-prepared tool set is the key to a smooth repair workflow. Setting up a safe and efficient workspace. Your workspace is just as important as your tools. Choose a sturdy, flat surface with enough space for your espresso machine, components, and parts trays. Make sure your area is well lit, ventilated, and equipped with safety gear, gloves, goggles, and a mat to prevent electrical discharge. Always unplug the machine and release internal pressure before working on it. Label your parts and store screws and washers separately during disassembly. A tidy and safe workspace not only protects you, but prevents mistakes that could cost hours of rework later. Technician habits for long-term safety. Safety isn't just about what you do once. It's about what you do every time. Always test for live current before touching internal components. Be cautious when dealing with hot boilers and steam lines, and wait for full cool down before opening or replacing any pressure parts. Keep one hand free when testing voltage to reduce shock risk. And finally, never rush repairs. Speed grows naturally from repetition, not shortcuts. By keeping these habits consistent, you'll work smarter, safer, and more confidently with every machine you repair.